Traditional ice-making equipment often brings unstable ice output and high energy consumption, which restricts aquatic processing efficiency. Our direct cooling block ice machine delivers large, solid, clean block ice with fast freezing speed. Stable 30-ton daily ice output fully meets the plant's demands for seafood preservation, processing, and cold chain logistics. Low loss, low power consumption, and easy maintenance greatly smooth the whole production workflow. Reliable ice supply guarantees fresh quality of aquatic products, helping this aquatic factory boost operational efficiency and market competitiveness.